Hope you guys are doing well today. Good morning. Welcome to another beautiful Newegg Now stream. For those who don't know, sponsored by Newegg. Yeah.
You couldn't figure that one out.
You can't figure that out. It is sponsored by Newegg. We sit here and we part together PC builds, talk about tech stuff, and more specifically today, we actually have some new PC parts we can make builds with. The Ryzen XT CPUs are out on Newegg. So yay, we're going to be doing some builds with those very soon. So we're just going to wait for people to roll into the stream today, and then we will get started. But yeah, guys, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to part together some of the Ryzen XT CPUs. So we have the 3600 XT, the 3900 XT, and then the 38. We kind of went back and forth on that, but the 3800 XT is in the middle. From what I've seen, the 3800 XT doesn't make a whole lot of sense. The 3600 XT is a little bit more compelling, but really it's just kind of like you go all in with the 3800 XT or just go back to like the non-XT ones, what I've seen. So we'll let you all decide which one do you want us to do a build on. We'll probably end up doing multiple, but you know, we'll see how it goes. All right, 3600 XT build. So it comes in definitely more expensive than the non-3600 at $250. It does deliver a clock speed boost up to 4.5 gigahertz, as opposed to, I think the 3600 boost is like 4.2 or something like that. It's not a huge difference.
I'm curious, have you seen benchmarks yet? Like what the difference is?
Yeah, it is. So it boosts up to 4.2 as opposed to 4.5. Benchmark wise, it is a relatively decent upgrade. So B450, I think that's literally our best option right now. I just looked at B450, and that's literally the cheapest board that I've seen. There's that one.
What about B550?
Oh, we could do B550. Forgot about that. Let's do B550 motherboard. Oh, back up. That's cheaper. 114, and it's B550.
Ooh,
so.
104.99 for me on rebate.
Oh yeah,
I have it.
Back order.
5 to 7 days.
Yeah, 5 to 7 day back order. That's not bad compared to what's going on right now. I think that's, yeah. What do you think, chat? You like this one? It's a good color scheme. You know, you get B by 52, so you get support for 4th gen out of the box, which is gonna be super sick. It's on back order, only 5 to 7 days, so that's actually not that bad. We have the jackpot. Yeah, I think this is the one, dude. I think this is the one. We'll add this to the build here real quick. So we can go cheap with this G-Skill kit, 16 gigs, 3200 megahertz for 62. Or we can see if they have any RGB options.
Yes, we do have a Discord. Is it !point Discord?
Yes, join the Discord. There's going to be some cool stuff going on in the Discord that's going to be Discord exclusive and probably won't be promoted on other channels. So go ahead and do that. I won't tell you exactly what it is, but if you join the Discord, you will get access to that stuff. So do we pay $5 more for 3000 megahertz, 16 gigs of RGB, or get 3200 megahertz non-RGB for less?
More RGB automatically adds like 3 FPS. I mean,
does it?
Yeah.
Chat? So should we go RGB? What do you think? This is worth it. It's $10 more for RGB. I'll take $10 more any day.
Ooh, I hate RGB. I like my vintage setups.
Well, you know what, dude? It is what it is. All right, so we got RAM, and now we need storage. So probably a 500 gigabyte NVMe. If we can get a 1 terabyte in there, we probably would. I'm trying to see what pricing looks like. So for storage, aren't tape drives? Are you even a gamer? You need them tape drives.
tape drives.
All right, we're gonna go, because I mean, there's no real budget here. I'm gonna do something. If I was building this PC, I would invest in a 1 terabyte SSD. That's just me, because I mean, Warzone. That's like literally all I have to say is Warzone takes up like a majority of that capacity. So, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. This ASRock one, 5700 XT, is $364.99 after a rebate.
Bro, where's the Challenger?
Challenger I haven't seen. Oh, there it is. This one is $359 after rebate.
Oh man.
But I mean, look at the difference here. For like $10 more, I mean, that cooler looks pretty.
It is pretty baller.
It looks like it would keep that thing nice and cool. Look on Amazon, there's a lot of them that go on sale, and they're actually really good value there.
This guy has a point. Chad 3 fan versus Beta 2 fan.
That's true. Chad 3 fan for the win. All right, let's add this to the wish list. Okay, and now we need power supply. Oh God.
That's what I would do. I'd get the big boy.
Yeah, so we'll go 750 watt. Has nice cables. It's actually in stock, which is very surprising, but hey,
Yeah,
you
that
know
chat.
what?
If you're looking to buy,
It's
today's the
actually
day.
good. There's actually some power supplies. Yeah, let's try this one. This looks pretty good. Comes with all RGB fans too. I mean, it's not totally out. It'll come out on the 15th, which is in 5 days. So yeah, you can get this now or wait. You can pre-order a case. It just seems weird. All right, do you have a guess on the budget? What do you think we're at, chat? I think we're at like a little over 1,000. What kind of damage did we do? Wow, 1,046.
Ooh, I was close.
Damn, that's not bad at all. Considering everything that's going on, that's not bad at all for a 5700 XT with the power supply, the case, 1 terabyte SSD, 16 gigs of RAM, motherboard, and the 3600 XT. So what we could do if you wanted to go below 1,000 is go with the 3600 non-XT, and you'd save like $70.
Yeah.
So you go down $70, you get 3600, you can get a good cooler and overclock that thing and probably get on par with the 3600 XT. You can do that if you want to. But yeah, if you, again, the concept of this was a 3600 XT build, just to show off some of the XT CPUs. Maybe we'll do, if you're interested, we'll do a 3900 XT build, because that one I think has a little bit more of an upgrade compared to the non-3900X, but
especially for the price.
So definitely we'll try that one next.
All right, I gotta leave you guys with one more pickup line. This one's for Matt. Did you sit in sugar? Because that booty be so sweet.
Start the raid right now.
It's gonna take a minute. So
Thank you guys again for watching.
you gotta
Appreciate y'all hanging out. We will have a video upload today, 3 p.m. EST.
It's gonna be 12 good pickup lines.
Yes, 12 good pickup
For
lines. That's a
nerds.
DIY video for you. Tech pickup lines. Thank you guys again for watching. See y'all in the next one. Adios.